Are you struggling to track customer requests and make sure every issue is resolved on time? With the Odoo Helpdesk app, customer support becomes easier, faster, and much more organized. From the main dashboard, you can instantly monitor your team's performance and manage tickets in real time. Odoo helps you organize support across different teams, such as customer service, VIP support, and technical support, so every request reaches the right team without delay. With one click, you can open active tickets and follow every detail clearly, from priority and customer name to the assigned employee, current status, and target deadline. Odoo also helps you stay aligned with service-level agreements, ensuring that no request is missed or delayed. The result is better organization, faster response times, higher customer satisfaction, and more efficient support operations. Odoo Helpdesk is your complete solution for professional customer service management.